Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies. Woman Tipping Hand. Imagine styling your hair with salon quality curls, waves, and smooth blowouts, all without extreme heat damage. Today, I'm trying the Dyson Airwrap i.D multi-styler and dryer, the tool everyone's talking about. If you've been dreaming of effortless, healthy, and gorgeous hair, stay tuned because this might just change your morning routine forever. Let's get started. Dyson Airwrap i.D multi-styler and dryer. Dyson Airwrap i.D multi-styler and dryer. Smart styling, zero heat damage. Experience the next generation of hair styling technology with the Dyson Airwrap i.D multi-styler and dryer, the first and only connected styling tool that personalizes your curling routine based on your unique hair type and styling preferences. Designed for effortless styling with salon-quality results at home, the Airwrap i.D transforms the way you curl, smooth, and dry your hair, all without extreme heat damage. At the heart of the Airwrap i.D is Dyson's latest Airwrap technology, powered by the Coanda effect, which uses high-speed air instead of direct heat to shape and style hair. This advanced airflow not only protects your hair from heat-related breakage, but also leaves it softer, smoother, and healthier over time. With 6 versatile attachments, this innovative tool caters to straight and wavy hair types, helping you achieve everything from polished curls to sleek blowouts in minutes. Benefits that set it apart. Personalized styling guidance. The Airwrap i.D is the only multi-styler that connects to your hair profile and recommends a tailored curling routine. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, or wavy hair, it knows exactly how to deliver the best results for your strands. Dry and style at the same time. Save time with the Airwrap i.D as it simultaneously dries and styles, perfect for busy mornings or quick touch-ups before a night out. No extreme heat damage. The Coanda airflow gently wraps and styles hair using controlled air, reducing the risk of dryness, split ends, and dullness. Versatile styling options. With 6 engineered attachments, including a fast-drying nozzle, conical curling barrel, and smoothing brush, you can easily switch between defined curls, beachy waves, or sleek straight looks. Consistent, long-lasting results. Thanks to intelligent airflow control and personalized settings, your curls hold their shape for longer with less frizz and flyaways. Suggested use for best results. Start with freshly washed hair for optimal styling performance. Attach the fast dryer to take hair from damp to approximately 80% dry. For defined curls, use the conical barrel attachment, wrapping sections of hair as recommended by your personalized routine. If your hair needs smoothing before curling, use the smoothing brush attachment to create a sleek base. Power on your Dyson Airwrap i.D. Slide your thumb up on the power button and let the intelligent curling sequence guide you. Why choose the Dyson Airwrap i.D? This isn't just another hair tool, it's your personal hair stylist, powered by cutting-edge technology. The combination of connected personalization, versatile styling options, and heat-free technology makes the Airwrap i.D a must-have for women who want healthier hair and flawless style every day. Whether you're looking for defined curls for a special occasion, smooth straight locks for work, or effortless waves for a casual day out, the Dyson Airwrap i.D delivers professional results with minimal effort, and it does it while keeping your hair healthier, shinier, and stronger over time. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.